Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to make Siri recognize only your voice. So grab your iPhone and let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app. First things first, unlock your iPhone and locate the Settings app. It's the app with the gray gear icon. Tap on it to open. Step 2. Navigate to Siri and search. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Siri. This is where all the Siri-related settings are managed. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Turn Siri off temporarily. To ensure Siri is set up correctly for your voice, you'll first need to turn it off temporarily. In the Siri menu, look for the option that says Talk to Siri. You'll see different options like Siri or Hey Siri. Tap on this option and select Off. This will temporarily disable Siri on your device. Step 4. Turn Siri back on. Now that Siri is turned off, it's time to re-enable it with settings specific to your voice. Go back to the same Listen for option, and this time select either Siri, Hey Siri, or both options, depending on your preference. When you select your desired option, you'll be prompted to set up Siri's voice recognition. Tap Continue to start the process. Step 5. Complete the voice recognition process. Now comes the fun part, training Siri to recognize your voice. Your iPhone will display a series of sentences on the screen. Simply read them out loud as clearly and loudly as possible. Make sure you're in a quiet place to avoid background noise interfering with the process. This ensures Siri can accurately learn and identify your unique voice. Step 6. Verify Siri's voice recognition. Once you've completed the voice recognition setup, Siri will now respond only to your voice when you say, Hey Siri or Siri. This added layer of personalization ensures that no one else can activate Siri on your device. Making it both more secure and more convenient for hands-free use. And that's it! You've successfully set Siri to respond exclusively to your voice. This not only makes using Siri more secure, but also ensures a seamless hands-free experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.